Hi, welcome to this More4apps video. Today we'll be looking at swapping out components on a bill of material. Swapping out a component is a two-step process. In this example here, we're going to pull back this component in the M1 organization for all the bills of material. And you can see we've got 4 bombs come back. We have to set our mode here from create to update. We put our end date in for the current component. And I then copy the same records, paste them down, and swap out to the new component. Now I'm not quite sure what that component value is, so I'm going to use our data entry form to find it. This is totally optional, but in my case I want to select a component from this list here. And using Excel, I'll just paste those values in. I also have to copy and paste the dates across to be the effective from dates. And then I simply select everything and press upload. And this will try and load everything. I expect the last 3 records to fail. So with this load, our update to end date will work, and our very first swapped out new component will load as well. Now you can see we've got our error here. It's really simple to fix. We just change that mode and press upload again. And that's it, all done. Thanks for watching.